Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today again, charcuterie, because a lot of you asking. Okay, today we're going to make garlic salami, very easy. We need, this is kilo, mince, ground, coarse. It's 700 grams lean meat, I use loin, 200 grams shoulder, 100 grams belly of pork, of course. I use this I make this fan I cut it to make sausages. Later, pork skin, I put a spoon of vinegar. I have today apple vinegar, but it's okay. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ground pepper, 29 grams sea salt. We need some strain and 1 little to make the hole in the salami. Okay, we start. Salt, okie dokie, pepper, and this garlic powder. And start mix by hand, of course. My hands they clean. Very important mix. Very good. 20 minutes at least. The meat is very important this step. Okay, mix very well, and later we start making sauces. Okay, in 20 minutes, see you in 20 minutes. Okay, okay guys, 25 minutes, very strong energy. You know, the meat is sticky and nice. What we need is this, you know. Okay, now the step, we take this, the skin, whole, and inside. Slowly, and put inside, okay? To work a little bit, just do this. Put some meat inside, you know, and I'll come quickly. We put this on, and we start making sausages. So easy. I don't want the video gonna get very long. When the salami is ready in the skin, I show you, okay? See you soon. Okay, guys, it's almost done. I'm enjoying it. Very nice. And now I cut it. All this air that we use this is important. Where you see other side, and later we do maybe again. But now we're going to put some string. Okay, string. Easy to do. I can recommend you cut straight like this and going like that. And we use another one like this. We make nice all the time when you make charcuterie at home, thinking where you wanna put in the fridge, because it's important, because this stuff gonna be there at least 3 weeks. That's why you have to thinking before where you gonna put it. Okay, and we do all salami like that. I told you, this you cut like this. Here you do space to put a little hook from this side as well. And voila. You know, it's beautiful. You see, when you see some like this, just up, and that's it. This one now, guys, gonna be 24 hours room temperature, and see you in 24 hours, okay? Okay guys, 24 hours gone, very nice and dry, and now we're going to put it in the fridge. I show you I have something like this and on, and I find a very good way here, and I leave it there 3-4 weeks. See you in 3-4 weeks, okay? Okay guys, I'm very proud of it. The smell is something amazing. Okay, 4 weeks, it's gone. Salami is ready and now it's time to try, okay? The best for me is always with a nice bread. You're going to cut it. Look at that, wow. Guys, I'm so sorry for you, but the smell is something amazing. Okay, we're going guys. Wow, enough. Look at that. Wow, delicious. A little bread and spectacular. delicious. I don't have words. Wow. Again, well done, Piero. And I'm so sorry for you guys, but you have to try it. Any problem, if you have some comment to do, some recipe to do together, let me know. Okay? The garlic salami is this one. Beautiful. And guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!
Ciao. Finger up and follow us.